Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got SheModern Old Meets New Instagram collaboration and we're doing butterfly manis. I've started off with IMK Peel Ease and here is Wrecking Ball by Moonshine Manny. Here we go. Look at this polish, you guys. This one is so crazy. It is so pretty. It's got hollow and it's just a favorite. Now I am going in with my second coat here. And this is from her Dupe It project, and I'm not really sure 100%. I think this might be after the Orally polish. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door and get it to dry down so that we can do our collabing video. Oh, and before I forget, I should have links for the other participants down in the description box if you'd like to hop over on Instagram and check it out. There is my swatch photo. We're going to be using TU017 today. I've got this butterfly image here that I'm digging. And I've got opaque black sticky stamping polish and the jelly stamper from SheModern and some nail foils. So we're just going to get these images plopped onto the nail. The lovely thing about playing with SheModern sticky polish is you've got plenty of time to work. So I'm going to be able to go through and just plop these images straight onto the nails and let them sit for just a moment while I get the other nails done. And then we're going to get in with the foils. Clean my stamper off with my lint roller, and then that plate's just getting cleaned with acetone. And we're going to hop right on in to the next one. I do end up doing a different image on my ring fingernail, kind of as my accent. It's going to be the one right above the one I'm doing now. It's almost an afterthought. There we go. I'm going to plop on along, get some more of these nails done. I'm really, really happy with this one. And I do hope you'll go check out the other manis. Go see everybody's butterfly manis. So I flipped that plate around so that I could get the other image. It had a butterfly in it, so I figured it would be okay. Try to get that butterfly right there. There we go. Good deal. And then back to the original image for the pinky nail. I do enjoy this collab every month. I like getting together with other girls, and I really love seeing what everybody's manicures look like. I'm going to clean this plate off with some acetone and then wipe it over with a lint-free wipe. And then I'm going to clean my little mat, my scraper card, and everything. Get everything cleaned up and put away. Got some fuzzies sticking to that one. I'm going to flip that cotton ball over and use the other side. So just smearing it all around, I'm actually going to get some of that up. Here we go with the nail foils. So I'm not doing like just one color, trying to get all three colors. I'm just going at this like a mad woman here. I'm just tapping in foil wherever with whatever color. It doesn't matter to me because I like all of them. You guys know, if you've been around for a while, you know I love pink and purple nail polish. And that teal that's on here also, another favorite. Love it. So I knew that this is what I wanted to do. Now with this, you just kind of tap it in. You can do a little bit of rubbing. You don't want to go too crazy because you might mess up that stamped image underneath because it's still wet. That's how the foil's sticking. Get some light change in here so that I can see what I'm doing. And just go back over any spots that look like maybe didn't get any on it. Just tap, tap, tap. Mush, mush, mush. And for the most part, it's stuck to everything really well. Loving this. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off my skin. And then go in with my cleanup brush for my fine tuning of my cleanup. There we go. I'm going to be using the Sealer in Clear from SheModern. You do not need much of this at all. That's probably enough for 2 nails right there on that brush. It's really a good idea to just use a super thin layer of it. And then once that's completely dry, I'm going in with my Posh top coat. And you can see there are some spots where that it didn't stick, but for the most part, that foil stuck to that really well. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.